2023 December 28. I went to our training center first on. We rode the bus with my friend, and four of my best friends want to play board game with me. Because we all like board game. Second, we arrive in the training center. We start many games like running. We enjoy, but on that day there was rain, so we can't do mountain climbing. Third, we cook meat and ramen. I ate other team's meat. It is very delicious meat. Fourth, we do rock, scissors, paper because we choose two persons. They will wash the dish. Finally, me and Ayn will do it. Fifth, we go to home again. Sincerely, Lina. Thanks for listening.